Happy Friday! We are back again for another fun episode of Coaching Unfiltered. I'm Desiree Gauthier, and today's topic of interest: what does the future of talent actually look like in the age of AI? I spent the evening a few weeks ago surrounded by business school alumni, corporate leaders, and some very bright minds unpacking exactly that. And one thing became very clear: AI isn't the transformation, it's the accelerator. The real transformation? Well, gotta tell you, it's still the people, your processes, and the way you choose to work. Here's what stayed with me. We're shifting from roles to outcomes. Define the outcome, then find the best way to get there, whether it's human, AI, automation, or a blend of all three. That's a completely different game. And yet the biggest risk isn't AI, it's how we handle people through it. While AI is busy automating repetitive tasks, finally freeing us from brain-dead repetitive work, organizations are quietly facing a much harder question. Is developing people's capabilities now a business priority or a duty of care? I share the opinion of the panelists that evening. It's both. We're entering a world of, and I love these terms I picked up, I think they're very appropriate to what's happening out there. Sunset skills, those obsolete ways of working which are disappearing faster than we're ready for. Sunrise skills, those emerging new ways of working, demanding continuous upskilling, and teams under pressure to adapt very fast. And if we get this wrong, we don't just lose efficiency, we lose trust. And once trust goes, chaos follows. What I found particularly powerful, AI adoption doesn't fail because of the tech. It fails because of culture. Early adopters sprint ahead. Others fall behind. Leadership starts reacting instead of leading. And suddenly you're not transforming, you're trying to catch up. The organizations that will win, they'll do a few things differently. They'll build strong foundations before chasing speed. They'll create space for experimentation without the fear. They'll run fast and slow innovation lanes in parallel. And they'll make AI learning continuous, not a one-off training. And most importantly, they'll stay deeply people-centric. As AI and automation reshape roles, especially in middle management, we don't eliminate people, we evolve them. Reskill, redirect, re-image, because the future isn't fewer humans. It's humans doing more of what actually matters. Coaching, mentoring, leading, connecting. And maybe that's the real opportunity here. AI gives us time back. The question is, what do we choose to do with it? My hope that we don't lose the human in the loop, that we stay intentional about why we use AI, not just how. And that in the race for efficiency, we don't forget what makes organizations truly perform their people. As we wind up this episode of Coaching Unfiltered, I want to leave you with this question. Are we building AI-first organizations or people-first organizations powered by AI? And that's a wrap. See you next week.